This is the suicidal monkey video. This monkey's gonna commit suicide. Because he's seen Daniel, obviously. Hey!
Weird.
Make noise.
I think he's
Dude, look at the video.
I think we killed him.
Let's see if he's dead. Haley, go get the monkey.
Yeah, do it.
Go get it. Okay, Bren, you get it. This isn't Facebook, man. This is YouTube.
Okay.
Is he
Is
dead?
still alive? Let me see it.
Big fat
Spank
thing
it.
away, dude.
Yeah, I'm testing to see if he's alive.
He's dead. He doesn't make sounds anymore. That
Yep,
sucks.
it's dead.
Bren, he's already broken.
Let me go get him and retrieve this. Get him, monkey. Ow!
No, I hit concrete that time.
That's kind of hurt.
He's definitely dead now.
Nero's like, what the heck?
Oh god.
Oh, I almost.
He's definitely dead. He doesn't even make
What'd you do
sense.
to his arm?
That was already like that
Okay.
yesterday.
They're on the other arm.
Grab that.
Hey, Bren, please.
Suicidal monkey.